Now student, we will see the fourth question of question number 3. So what is the fourth question? Fourth question is 2x minus y is equal to 0 and 10x plus 15y is equal to 105. So we'll start the solution. First we'll write 2y minus x is equal to 0. This is the first equation. So first you write x and then you write y in standard form. So standard form of what linear equation in two variable is what? Ax plus by is equal to c. So first we'll write the x term. So this is minus x and then plus 2y. This is equal to 0. As we want this first variable x having positive sign, so for that you have to change the sign throughout. Which you will changing sign on both sides. So when you will change the sign on both sides, so the minus becomes plus x and this plus 2y becomes minus 2y and this is equal to 0. This is the equation number 1. This step you may do or keep as it is, no problem. But you will change the sign, so this will be, you will get plus x and this becomes minus 2y and this is equal to 0. Now what is second equation? Second equation is what? 10x plus 15y and this is equal to 105. This is equation number 2. Now as we are going to solve this question by elimination method, so we have to eliminate either x or y. Again here we are going to eliminate y. Now student, you will see the sign of variable y is opposite. It means that only you make their coefficient equal, so that you will add the equation, you will get the value of x because y will cancel out. So what you will do, if you want to eliminate y variable, so you have to multiply equation 1 by 15 and equation 2 by 2 because 15 2s are 30 and here also we will multiply 15 by 2, so let 30. So we write multiply equation 1 by 15 and equation 2 by 2. So multiply equation 1 by 15, so we will get 15x minus 30y and this is equal to 0. 15 multiplied by 0 is 0. This is equation number 3. Similarly, we will multiply equation 2 by 2, so we get 20x plus 30y and this is equal to 105 to the 210. This is equation number 4. Now when you will observe here the variable y having equal coefficient and opposite sign. So when the variable y having equal coefficient and opposite sign, so you are going to add the equation 3 and 4. So we will write adding equation 3 and equation 4. What is equation 3? 15x minus 30y is equal to 0. 15x minus 30y is equal to 0. What is equation 4? 20x plus 30y is equal to 210. So when you will add this, so this minus 30y will cancel out with plus 30y. What will be the addition of 15x plus 20x? This will be 35x and this is equal to 210. Therefore, what will be x? 210 divided by 35. So 35 ones are and 35 six are. You will get 210. So 35 ones are, 35 six are 210. Therefore, you will get value of x is 35. Sorry. 6. Now we'll put the value of x in equation 1. So you will get the value of y. So you will write put x is equal to 6 in equation 1. What is equation 1? X minus 2y is equal to 0. What is x? 6 minus 2y is equal to 0. Transfer 6 to right hand side. So minus 2y is equal to becomes minus 6. And therefore y is equal to minus 6 divided by minus 2. And therefore y is equal to what? 3. Y is equal to 3. X is 6 and y is 3. Again we will write the answer. What will write the answer? Solution of given simultaneous equation is, what is x? X is 6 and y is 3. So this is the answer of what? Fourth sub question of question number 3. So have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So write on. Now student, fifth question. So what is fifth question? 2x plus 3y is equal to 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 and x minus 5y is equal to 11. Similarly, we will write here, start the solution. 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now we will transfer this plus 4 to right hand side. Therefore, you will get 2x plus 3y and is equal to minus 4. So plus 4 becomes minus 4. Equation number 1. Second equation, that is x minus 5y is equal to 11. This is equation number 2. Similarly, again we are going to eliminate variable y. So to make their coefficient equal, you will multiply equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 3. So we'll write here, multiply equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 3. Multiply equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 3. So multiply equation 1 by 5, so you get 10x plus 15y and this is equal to minus 20. This will be equation number 3. Similarly, multiply whole equation by 3. So we get 3x, then minus 15y, and this is equal to 11. 3s are 33. This is equation number 4. So as the variable y is having now equal coefficient and opposite sign, so you are going to add equation 3 and equation 4. So you will write adding equation 3 and equation 4. You are going to add equation 3 and 4. So what is equation 3? Again you will write here 10x plus 15y. This is equal to minus 20. So this is your equation number 3. And what is equation number 4? Equation number 4 is 3x minus 15y. 3x minus 15y and this is equal to 33. So you are going to add the equation 3 and 4. So this is equation 3 and this is equation 4. So now here what will cancel out? Plus 15y minus 15y will cancel out. 10x plus 3x is what? 13x. And 13x is equal to what? This is minus 20. This is plus 30. So this will be plus 13. Therefore what will be x? X will be 13 divided by 13. Therefore x is equal to 1. We will cancel out. 13 1 is 13. So value of x is 1. Now we will put the value of x in equation 1, 2 or 3. So you will get the value of y. So we are going to put x is equal to 1 in equation 2. Why we are going to put x is equal to 1 in equation 2? Because when we will compare equation 1, 2, 3 and 4, so equation 2 is simple to solve. So therefore you are choosing the equation number 2. So put x is equal to 1 in equation 2. What equation 2? X minus 5y and this is equal to 11. What is it? X is 1. So 1 minus 5y is equal to 11. Therefore, minus 5y is equal to 11. Transfer this plus 1 to right hand side. This becomes minus 1. This is equal to what? 10. Therefore, y is equal to 10 divided by minus 5. This is equal to what? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So you get minus 2. So y is what? Minus 2. So what is the value of x? X is 1 and y is minus 2. And then finally we write the answer. You have to write answer always. The solution of given what? Simultaneous equation is, what is x? X is 1 and y is minus 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So okay students, write down. Okay students, so very last sub question of question number 3. Clear? Now again we'll start the solution for question number 3. What is the first equation? 2x minus 7y. This is equal to plus 7. Equation number 1. What is second equation? 3x plus y is equal to 22. This is equation number 2. Now I will ask to you, now which variable you want to cancel out? Yes?
X.
Bolo?
Y.
Y. So if you want to cancel out the variable y, so what is needed? What you will do?
7 in equation 2.
You will multiply equation 2 by
7.
7. Okay, fine. So here we will write multiply equation 2 by 7. So what you will get? 7 3s are 21x plus 7y and this is equal to 22 7s are 154. This is equation number 3. Now you will deal equation 1 and equation 3. So what do you observe from equation 1 and 3? What do you observe?
Same pair opposite side.
Same
Opposite side.
same pair
Opposite.
opposite side. Okay, fine. Means 7y same pair
and
and
sign.
they are having opposite
Opposite
sign.
sign.
So you are going to add or subtract?
Add.
Okay, fine. So you write adding equation 1 and equation 3. What is equation 1? 2x minus 7y is equal to what? 7. And equation 3 is 21x plus 7y and this is equal to 154. So now when you will add, this minus 7y will cancel out with plus 7y. 21x plus 2x, 23x. And this is equal to 154 plus 7, 161. Therefore, what will be x? 161 divided by 23. So 23 ones are, 23 sevens are. Therefore, what will be the value of x? 7. Now we'll put the value of x in which equation? 1 or 2? 1. So put x is equal to 7 in equation 1. What equation 1? 2x minus 7y is equal to 7. So now we'll write 2. What is x? X is 7 minus 7y is equal to 7. This 7 2s are 14. 14 minus 7y is equal to 7. Therefore, minus 7y is equal to this 14 we will transfer to right hand side, so this becomes minus 14 to 7 minus 14, therefore minus 7y is equal to minus 7, and therefore y is equal to minus 7 divided by minus 7, which is equal to 1. Means if the same number divided by the same number, so answer is always 1. So what is the value of y? Then y is 1. And finally what you will write? What you will write? Answer. You will write the answer. The solution of given simultaneous equation is, what is x? X is 7 and y is 1. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
So okay, in next video we will see the practice set 5.2. Any doubt?
No,
No, sir.
Thank you.